Hello?
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Anjali. What is your name?
My name is Rohan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Which class are you in?
I'm in class 7, and you?
I am also in class 7.
That's great. Are you new in this school?
Yes, I joined last week.
Welcome to our school.
Thank you.
Do you like the school?
Yes, the teachers are nice and the classrooms are clean.
Who is your class teacher?
My class teacher is Mrs. Sharma.
Oh, she is very kind and helpful.
Yes, I like her classes.
What is your favorite subject?
I like science. What about you?
I like English. I enjoy reading stories.
That's good. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton. What about you?
I like cricket.
Cool. Do you have any friends here yet?
Not many. You are my first friend here.
Don't worry, you will make many friends soon.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
You're welcome. Let's go to class now.
Yes, let's go.
And just like that, a new friendship begins with a smile, a name, and a simple hello. This was just the beginning of Rohan and Anjali's story. In the next part, their bond grows, and school life gets even more interesting. If this reminded you of your own school days or made you smile even a little, do support us by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your friends. And hey, comment below and tell us, how did your first school friendship start? Your support helps us keep creating stories filled with love, learning, and laughter. See you in part 2.